What's going on YouTube, Facebook? This is Michael on Trushine cleaning. Here out at the job. It's I would say a repeat client. I was out here, I wouldn't say about 2 years ago, doing this carpet. And if you are in the Midwest area or St. Louis, I would say, I'm not sure how far was the rain, but we just had rain here that lasted about 24 hours. So I'm down here in the basement doing it now. As you can see, this wall probably started from here all the way here. Water has came all the way in. So this is where I started. I just started extracting here, and it came up a little bit along this wall as well. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to extract the carpet today. He does have a dehumidifier that I'm gonna leave down here and let the fan. I'm gonna leave the fan here. I'm gonna extract all the carpet from all the water from the carpet on top, and then extract the pad. I'm gonna see if this pad can be saved. I did let them know I may have to replace it, but sometimes I have had great results extracting the pads and they being able to be reused. So what I do, I extract it, pull the padding up, get the floor underneath it, and then lay them back down, and it usually works out pretty good, but I'm not sure about this one. But I told him if not, you may have to pull up the pad from about here all the way, because it's really saturated here. It's not too bad, as you can see where it's starting to go. It's not really bad here, but it's bad like up along the wall. So those chairs was sitting here, so it did kind of help prevent it from spreading as much. But I'm out here, it's pretty late today, so but we'll see what we can do. You can hear it. You can hear where it's wet at. See, it's not too bad here. So we're gonna see how it comes out. And I know a lot of people, if you're gonna see this video, a lot of guys would be like, yes, if the pad gets wet, you're supposed to replace it. I understand that part, but he's trying not to have to replace it. So if you do get to this video and you one of the, the carpet guru guys, but like I said, if I can save it and it won't create mold, that's his main concern. I don't do a lot of these types of jobs. And I did let them know that so I don't have all the large, dehumidifiers, and I do have some air movers that I'm going to leave down here, but for the most part, this is considered like a small restoration job. I've done so many of these and I have got great results, so I decided to take on this job. But if it was like wall to wall and everything was saturated, I probably wouldn't have done it, because it requires a lot more than just extracting. see. It is extracting it very, very well. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to get good results out of it. I'm going to leave a blower down here to dry it up over the next couple days. And I'm going to come back on Saturday and clean the carpet. So how hard that blower is. It's pushing us all up. So I'm gonna let that blow for the next 2 days. Today's Wednesday, so I'm gonna come back Friday or Saturday. I'm not really sure, but I'm gonna have the client checking the carpet and the pad to make sure everything's dry. One of the things I'm kind of worried about, if pad start folding up. I don't want that to happen, but for the most part, it looks like it should be good. Try to see if I can find something to sit on here. Maybe that'll help it out too. See that? Goes all the way down.